Dito, nandito po kami sa Senate ngayon. Kakaroon na ng putukan.
I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please come down. Please let us know what is happening here. I will repeat all.
Nandito kami, nagtatago kami. Dahil nagkakaroon na ng putukan. Dili lang. Nandiyan si Senate President Alan Cayetano. Nandito yung mga ibang senador. Hindi namin alam kung bakit nagkakaroon ng putukan. Nagkakaroon na kami ng caucus dito. At nakarinig kami ng mga malalakas na putok. Putok ng baril. Okay. Na-receive na namin yung articles of impeachment kanina lang. Kaya nagko-caucus kami dahil we're supposed to convene as an impeachment court by next week. Tapos bigla nagkaroon ng putukan.